Hi guys, welcome to a new video. I hope you guys are keeping well. It's a rainy day here in the UK, so I thought I'd pop out to the garage and open some of the stuff that I got in the last couple weeks I've received in. So I thought I'd share with you guys what I've got in. Some of it's in this box. I've got some other stuff to show you, so stay tuned. All right, here is the box. Yeah, let's just get tucked in and open it. Be gentle with it because it's got some pretty cool pieces in there. So I do like sharing stuff, so that's a good thing. Showing this box came all the way from Japan, other side of the country, or other side of the world. So I know what's in here, but wrapping paper. But I thought I'd share with you guys because it's some of it, you know, I thought it was pretty cool. And some of these items I actually sell on my online store. So I thought I've sold them in the past, but I've brought some back in for my personal use. So I thought I'd share with you guys what they are. So if you guys are into Mitsubishis, which clearly I am, and probably why you're watching this show, because you're into Mitsubishis. Here's my face. Widescreen's not big enough, I guess. Yeah, if you're into Mitsubishi and you like cool things, you like Ralliart. So yeah, this is one of their new products that they've released from Ralliart. This is their baseball cap. So it's really nice. It's let me open it up here and I'll show you guys. This is one of their products. So it's a really nice quality piece if you're into baseball caps. So it's got like an embroidered logo across the front, Ralliart, and then it's a pre-fitted, so it comes with the adjustments. You can adjust the strap. It's got the back Ralliart sign on it, and it is genuine Mitsubishi Motors Ralliart. So I know there's a lot of copy stuff out there, but this is genuine. Got all the Japanese text in the middle on the inside the hat. So yeah, it's a really nice hat. Fits really well. Well, I'm not really a hat guy, but hey, I like it. I like the rubber. It's like a rubberized feel, so it's really nice. If you guys are interested in one of these, reach out to me. I can get one for you. That's one of the hats. I'll put that away in a minute. The next thing I got, this is going on the Gallant, is these are Ralliart license plate frames for the Japanese number plates. So I'll go ahead and open it up, give you guys a closer look at it. Let's see here. Yeah, so they're made of ABS plastic. And it's chrome, obviously, like a chrome finish, and it's got the Ralliart logo right there on the front. So yeah, so this one's going to go on the RS, the Gallant RS. I'm going to put it on the back. I can't put it on the front because I've got the JDM number plate on the front with the light fixture on it, which I can show you later. But yeah, so yeah, that's a really nice piece, and that's going to go on the RS. It comes with like a mounting tape here, so you can mount it where it doesn't rattle or anything like that. So it's really good quality Mitsubishi Motors. So it's true genuine Ralliart piece. And I also sell these too. If you guys are interested in one, reach out to me. I do sell them. So pack that away nice so it doesn't get scratched or anything. This one's going on my personal car. And then the next item up for sale, no, I'm just kidding. Next item is, I'll actually open this inside here real fast. I'll show you guys, come out with it, not in the back. This is a cool little, just a cool piece to have, you know, if you're into getting car parts. So this is a Ralliart keychain. So it's really nice. It's got like a carbon fiber effect on the actual leather part of it. It's got a couple hooks in it, so you can hook all different keys on it. very nice piece. I really like this. I used one on my other car, on the American Galant. I have it on the keychain there. So it's a really nice piece. It's got red, you know, on the stitching. So it's a very good quality piece. And I also sell these, so if you guys are interested in one, reach out. And what else have I got? What else have I got? All right, let's see what else we got in the box. So, this is what they call a Ralliart muffler towel. I'm assuming it means you can clean your exhaust muffler with it. That's what they label it as. True Ralliart part. I also sell these. The size of this, I think, is 100 centimeters by 25 centimeters. So it's a really nice quality. You might even be able to use it for polishing, or if you just want to hang it in your garage, it'd be pretty cool, which is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be hanging it in my garage. So these are also available. I do sell them too. So if you guys are interested in that, let me know. All right, let's move that box out of the way. Let's see what else we got here. So these, yeah, these are, let's just open them up. Instead of saying what they are, let's just open them up and show it to you. Oh, actually, I got this one open already because I made sure they were all okay when I got them in. I had these for a little while. Oh, I thought I did. Didn't I open it? Maybe I didn't. Could have swore I did. All right, let's cut the box open real quick and show you what's in these. I'm excited about these because these are cool, very nice quality. So let me take one out of the bag. I'll give you a close-up of them. So these are the Rays TE37 Volk Racing TE37 37 center caps. So they're going to go perfectly on my US spec Galant because I have the Rays TE37V spec wheel. So right now I've got some caps on there that they're okay. I like them, but they're not these, and these will match the wheel perfect. And I'll show you guys fitting these later in the year when I get the car out of the garage, when the weather is still early. It's actually end of March. It's March 31st today, and the weather's crap. And I don't feel like working on the car in the rain, and just, I've got a lot to do to it actually, so I've got to put these on. So yeah, so that's one of the cool pieces I got in a couple weeks ago. Very nice these are. These are gonna look, I'm very excited about these. These are gonna look awesome on the car. So that's another thing I've got going. That's gonna be going on the car. Got 4 of them, obviously, one for each wheel. And then I got a few, got another thing. Let's see, share with you guys this. These are just old knick-knack parts I'm selling on eBay that I don't need. If you guys are interested, check out, well, they're on eBay. Search the part number, you should be able to find my eBay account. But yeah, if you're interested in, I sell all kinds of stuff on there, so if you guys are interested in stuff. So this is another piece I got that I'm kind of not sure if I'm going to put on the car or not. So it's a Ralliart, it's a Ralliart badge. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it on the car or not. I need to find a really nice spot for it. So yeah, it's a Ralliart badge from Japan. So it's going to be, I'm not sure what car it actually came on. It might have come on like the Colt, the Ralliart Colt. So it didn't come on the Galant's factory, but I'm just, because they didn't. So I'm contemplating if I'm going to put that on the car or not. So I went ahead and got one because I thought it was a Ralliart piece. Pretty cool. Now, this stuff here is stuff that I'm going to add to the car once I get it out of the garage. So I'm going to show you this without trying to show you my VIN number. I don't even know if it matters really, but these are new. So that's my old one, my old build sticker that goes on the inner door of the Galant. That's my old build sticker, and I've recreated the new one. So old, new. So this is going to be a really cool piece because when I had the car resprayed, I had to remove this because obviously I didn't want them taping arounding it and having all the tape marks on it. So actually I'm going to move the camera up so I don't have to squat it. Oh, no, I just dropped the camera. I'm going to move the camera up so you guys can actually see my face. And I can stop bending over because I'm old. It's hurting my back. There we go. So yeah, so back to what I was talking about. These are the build sticker plates that go on in the corner. When I got the car resprayed, I peeled the old one off because I didn't want them taping around it because that just doesn't look good. So I got a new one made, which I actually make. So if you guys are interested in a new build sticker for your car, let me know because I make it. And I got a new tire sticker to go on the door. So that's a new factory tire spec sticker that will go on the door with it. It's just back to factory, you know. Put the badges back is it's it's an important stage in building your car. Not putting the factory badges back or the decals back. It's just, it leaves an empty spot where there should be something. And if you're doing it right and you're building a car correctly and you're doing a full restoration, put the badges back. If you can get them, get them. If you can't get them, get in contact with me. I'll make them for you. What else do I have? I think that's it. That stuff you've already seen. Yeah, I think that's it. So plans for the Galant is to put all these bits on it. The US Galant, which is right behind me here. Put all these bits on it. So I got a few things that I've ordered in that need replacing. So I'm going to put all those in and put all some of this Ralliart stuff on the the Japanese Galant. I want to put the rear license plate frame on it and a few other things I'm going to do to it. So that's coming up this summer. So stay tuned for that if you guys want to check that out. Another car video. If you made it through to the end, I really appreciate it because you're going to see something special. So stay tuned. I'm glad you guys made it because you're going to... epic. Stay tuned. Well, I couldn't resist. I went ahead and mounted the Ralliart number plate frame on the RS. It looks really nice in there. I like how the chrome kind of blends in with the black. It looks really good. It matches like the badges on the back of the car and the chrome trim on the bumper there. So I like how that looks. It's nicely securely mounted down with the screws, so I'm happy with that. All right, now I'm going to share with you guys a cool piece that I've been kind of sitting, waiting to install and get going. But let me share it with you. So this is my new Ralliart sign that I found, which is obviously you found them at dealerships. The way they wired in them, I'm not too happy about that, so I'm going to be changing this. I don't like it coming out the side. I want it coming out the top, so it's kind of like, you know, clean and you can't see the wiring. Well, you see the wiring where the cable goes that hangs from the roof here, but yeah, so that's my Ralliart sign. It's really cool, nice quality piece to hang above the Galants. I think it's pretty sweet. Yeah, I've had it for about almost 6 months now. I just haven't had, with the winter, I just didn't want to move the cars to install it. So yeah, that's it there. I hope you guys like it. I'm super stoked with it. It's really cool. And I'll put some photos I took at night after we finished installing it. So still got a bit to do to it, but it looks good in the driveway, hanging above the Gallants, you know, in front of the Galant there. Looks really good. So, all right, guys, that concludes the video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay around for more content, please hit the subscribe button. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Take care.